Thinking about mining Ethereum Classic? Let me break down how to build a proper mining rig step by step. Start with GPUs. NVIDIA 360 Ti or AMD 6600 XT are great choices for ETC mining because of their efficiency. You'll need a motherboard with multiple PCIe slots, at least 8 GB of RAM, 120 GB SSD, and a reliable 1000 watt plus PCU. Get an open air mining frame to mount everything, and don't forget fans. Heat is your enemy. Load Windows or Linux, then install mining software like lolminer or gminer, and connect it to a mining pool such as Ethermine. Next, tweak GPU overclocks for efficiency, set up your wallet address in the miner, and let the rig run. And just like that, you've got a mining rig set up to earn Ethereum Classic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.